make Neapolitan Bundt Cake. First step, I will cook this fresh strawberry. You can use frozen strawberry also. I will cook this fresh strawberry with 1 tablespoon of water. Cook this with medium heat. For 5 until 10 minutes until the strawberry become thick. You smash the strawberry. And cook until the strawberry become like strawberry jam. Finish. And you set aside until really cool. The next step, this is for dry ingredients, all-purpose flour and baking powder. You mix this. You mix with the whisk and you set aside. For the wet ingredients, we need this is salted butter already melted, 4 eggs, vanilla extract, granulated sugar, fresh milk, and canola oil. We mix all together. Sugar, melted butter, eggs, vanilla extract, and oil. We mix this with the medium speed. Set this until creamy, smooth and pale, about 3 minutes. Now you add flour. You repeat this until everything is well combined. Scrape all the side. You mix up this with low speed. Put the dough into the 3 balls. I like this vanilla, and this one I add cocoa powder. And mix this. And the other one, I will add strawberry. And gel food coloring, red one. And mix this. I use silicone bun pen, 22 centimeter, and I will combine this batter here. Have three color: vanilla, strawberry, and chocolate. And you mix the color, another color on the top, and repeat that. Already all here, and you make it like this, so no bubble on the top. And you preheat your oven 175 degrees Celsius, and you bake this about 40 until 45 minutes, depend on your oven. So pretty. I love this. And I will dust with powdered sugar a little bit here. Not so much. Okay, that's enough for me. I will cut this. You see this? Okay, I will try this now. This part. So soft. Soft, fluffy. Oh my god. I eat this vanilla and chocolate part, and you can taste the chocolate so strong, and vanilla mixed with that was really delicious. I love this. I really love this. Now I will try the strawberry part. Nice. This combination really nice. Even the strawberry, you can taste this. Oh my god. It's really, really delicious. You have to try this. It's beautiful also. Actually, can make for birthday, but my birthday already passed. Maybe I can make for someone special birthday. Really nice. See you for the next recipe. Try this and tell me what's the result. Bye.